In the heart of Washington, D.C., where cleanliness meets luxury, Khazai Rug Cleaning stands out. When it comes to your cherished rugs, only the best will do. But over time, dust, dirt, and allergens accumulate, leaving your rugs looking dull and lifeless. That's where we come in. At Khazai Rug Cleaning, we specialize in restoring the beauty and vibrancy of your rugs. Our team of highly skilled technicians uses state-of-the-art equipment and techniques to ensure the utmost care for your precious rugs. From deep cleaning to stain removal, we leave no fiber untouched, rejuvenating your rugs to their original glory. At Khazai Rug Cleaning, we don't just clean rugs. We're experts in rug repair, ensuring your treasured rugs receive the meticulous care they deserve. Rug repair requires a delicate touch and the expertise of experienced professionals, from frayed edges to unraveling threads. We skillfully restore the integrity of your rugs, preserving their beauty and value. Our team of skilled artisans has a deep understanding of various rug types, from Persian to Oriental, and employs time-honored techniques to repair even the most intricate designs. We know that your rugs hold sentimental and monetary value, which is why we treat each one with the utmost respect and care. Don't trust just anyone with your precious rugs. Trust the professionals at Khazai Rug Cleaning for expert rug repair in Washington, D.C. Experience the Khazai difference and fall in love with your rugs all over again. Contact us today and schedule your rug cleaning or repair with Khazai Rug Cleaning.